Hello guys, this is how to request ANC through Myra. So first, you need to create folder on desktop, and for example from Voyage 74 Mumbai to Port Elizabeth. Okay, then go to Myra ship, open, make sure you are connected into internet. So first go to voyage plan dashboard, then go to new and voyage name. So for example, Mumbai to Port Elizabeth. Voyage ID, for example, V74B. Caps lock. V74 B041 and then year 2024, and port of departure Mumbai, terminal or berth, so we are Anchorage. For example, this one. And then port of destination, Port Elizabeth, South Africa. Then bulk terminal, for example 8 to 9, 10 to 11 here, 10 to 14, and then departure 180 degrees 5301, longitude 954, berthing position 33 57 954 longitude 025 40 90 south. Eight. .306. Next, then ballast max drop 6.50. 32.37 air draft. I put it 0.65. Enter. 0.65. 0.65. 65. Open C. Vertical clearance 4.5 meters. The next. One-time voyage plan. Next. Estimated time of departure. Speed river 10 knots. Echo speed 11.25. Enter. And then next. Then next. So confirm. Send request. So you need to wait about 2 to 3 minutes, so the chart holder will reply regarding your passage plan. So now it's successfully was sent, so please wait now for the voyage plan. So now let's check. We'll go to inbox. So here's now the new please check and approve. So we need to check. And then approve proposal. Tick approve proposal. Then send binding order. Then do you want to proceed? Click yes. So make sure your latest base DVD you installed on ECDIS. You need to input the present base CD on your ECDIS. So our ECDIS present base DVD week 41. So I will put week 41 2023. So send now. So the order has been sent. Please wait for an answer. Okay. Okay. So need to wait for the ANC. So we check inbox again, and then see your voyage plan Mumbai to Port Elizabeth has been acknowledged, and then confirm. Show. So these are the ANC that you will need. So Myra will automatically acquire these ANC. So just wait for the permit. So we will install later on our ECDIS. For now, we are waiting for the permit. So now we have received a new data delivery. So go to inbox, data deliveries, then here's the ANC permits. So you need to export this one into the folder that you create in desktop. So go to desktop, then find Mumbai to Port Elizabeth. Okay. So cumulative change based on media state week 41. So our present base installed on our ECDIS is week 41 2023. So okay, exporting. Also this one, yellow color means newly received, and then you need to export also into the desktop Mumbai to participate folder, and then okay. So now the ANC is in the folder, so let's go to folder, need to open, then you need to rename this one so it will easy to install in our ECDIS. By the way guys, our ECDIS is GRC 901B. So rename is for backup ECDIS. So rename this AVCS update, then rename for master ECDIS. So the purpose of this guys is to very easy to find the location of the permit. So now it's the permit. So you can now install into the ECDIS.